What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about 3 cryptocurrencies that have high risk and high reward. So we're going to go in detail what is the potential for these specific cryptocurrencies. We're going to look at the technical analysis, what is the ideal price point to get involved in these companies, and what is the potential move. Are they going to go up 100, 200, 1000% within the next few months, within the next few years? I'm going to cover all this important information in this video coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any questions, make sure to drop in the comments section below and check out the links in the description box if you want to get free stocks and free Bitcoin. So the first cryptocurrency that we're going to be talking about is Shiba. This is a cryptocurrency that recently broke out and it got listed in Binance, so that is one of the major catalysts that made this cryptocurrency to get a lot of attraction, because now it has more exposure for people to actually buy it very, very easily. So what is this token? Shiba is a decentralized meme token that grew into a vibrant ecosystem. So there is a nickname for this cryptocurrency which is named as the Doge Killer. So we're going to look at exactly why they decided to go after Dogecoin, why they named it Doge Killer. As you can see over here, Shiba is an experiment and decentralized spontaneous community building. Shiba token is our first token and allows users to hold billions or even trillions of them. So they have a lot of supply of these coins. In order for you to get involved with them, if you're interested to buy them, you can buy them Uniswap, or you can go on Binance and you can actually get this specific cryptocurrency if you want to get involved in it. So the Shiba swap is an undergoing security test that's going to be available pretty soon, so you can directly buy it from there. But when you look at exactly the main driver, the main catalyst for this specific cryptocurrency is that the Ethereum founder actually holds a lot of these cryptocurrency, these tokens. So he holds a lot of them, but people are saying that they intentionally send these specific tokens to his wallet, so they were able to market and say that, okay, we have Ethereum founder holds these amount of tokens in his wallet. So that's going to be a great marketing tactic that they use. So that is one of some of the information that came out of this specific cryptocurrency news, why they getting a lot of attraction in the past few weeks. So another important thing you want to be looking at to get involved in it, of course, is what is the ideal price when you get involved in it. If you like it, if you actually want to invest in it, this is very high risk, high reward. It went up more than 1000% within a week. It was right around over here trading at 0.000002, and it went all the way to 0.00035. So that is a huge percentage move, but right now it's pulling back to the downside. So we have a pretty good support area right around over here. So if you want to be patient, if you don't want to chase it and see exactly if there's the huge crypto investors are flooding into the markets right now, if they see some form of excitement in this token, they can actually buy into it and we can actually see a spike up again. So one of the major catalysts, of course, being that it also have accessibility. Anybody can have a Binance account, can open and buy these cryptocurrency, this specific cryptocurrency. That's the fantastic catalyst, but the volume seems to be going down a little bit, so that's why it's high risk. So right now if you buy it, the potential for it to go back down to the support area right around over here is high. So it's better to be patient at this current moment and see if there's going to be another leg up pretty soon, if there's a lot of investors going in and investing in these cryptocurrencies. If there's another leg, if Bitcoin breaks out or Ethereum goes in another massive run too, so we can have another leg up for this specific currency. But definitely keep it in your watch list. Of course, if you just want to throw in a few $100s, of course you can do that if you don't want to miss out, but there's a huge risk that is attached to it. The reward is also, you can be making a lot of money. It can go up 500 to 1000%, just like as it did right around over here. So now let's go over and talk about this second cryptocurrency that you need to be watching out for. It's going to be safemoon. So safemoon has been getting a lot of publicity. A lot of people are investing in this company. I know right now a lot of people are investing in this cryptocurrency, and there's been a lot of issues with people buying it, right? It's not an easy of like you open up, a brokerage account, or you open up, crypto exchange. You can just go in there and type in safemoon and buy it. There's a few steps you have to go through to buy this, so that is one of the issues. A lot of people that are willing to go through the multiple steps are willing to get involved in it right now. But the main catalyst for this specific coin is when it gets listed on these major exchanges like Binance, right? If you're able to get access to it to buy it really quickly within a flip of a switch, within a flip of your, if you swipe up, if you click on it, you can buy it. That is going to be driving up the price of this cryptocurrency higher. So that is one of the main catalysts that you need to be watching out for in the short term. When you go in detail look at SafeMoon, this is SafeMoon is a protocol, as a community-driven, fair launch DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade. So reflection, LP, acquisitions, and burn. So we're going to go over and look at exactly in detail what these steps mean. So as you can see over here, the market caps right over here, the supply over here, the holders who have more than 1 million, 1.9 million is getting close to 2 million. So the current price is right around over here. So what does it mean? So the first step is automatic LP. Every trade contributes towards automatically generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. We got the RFI static rewards. Holders earn passive rewards through static reflections as they watch their balance of SafeMoon grow indefinitely. So that is really, really great. And also, of course, it's community driven, right? So we have dogecoin that's community driven. We have, even a shiba is also community driven. All of these altcoins, they're community driven. I mean, you need a lot of people to believe in this, to actually get more exposure, to do a lot of marketing so people can be aware of these cryptocurrencies, so they can be able to go higher and higher. So right now, of course, you can definitely have this specific coin. You can do analysis on CoinMarketCap, Nomics, and BSC scan. You can also see the amount of holders. And let's go over and see exactly what is the massive catalyst for this specific cryptocurrency. So they have plans for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. So right now we're in Q1 2021, protocol initiated, and we have a Q2 2021, the initial push, so that's going to be the most important thing. We want these specific coins to be available for everybody, so they will have that access to it as quick as possible, so they're able to buy it right now. And they have different projects that they're working on right now. So as you can see over here, we will begin architecting the NFT exchange as well as video game integration. We'll be integrating SafeMoon with Africa markets, in addition to setting up a charity driven and a charity vote. So that is pretty good. We have a Q3, we have holding the line. So we'll finish our crypto educational app and begin our own charity project. We'll begin a community listing, donations, raise it for several exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. We'll finish our NFT exchanges and release our first video game with SafeMoon integration. So that is pretty good. That is their plan moving forward. So that is really great. We have the founders over here if you want to do more research about them. We have the CEO, John, over here, Thomas. We have Hank. So you can definitely do more research. You can reach them out on Twitter or on Discord or LinkedIn. So you can have in contact with them. So definitely keep an eye on this specific coin. Of course, when you look at the technical analysis, right? Now, when you look at the technical analysis for SafeMoon, we have this huge breakout that happened, and we have a pullback, and we consolidated for a few weeks. And right now we're getting closer to all-time highs, so depending upon what can potentially happen, what is going to be the massive catalyst for this coin coming up in Q3, Q4, this can potentially be another breakout happening pretty soon in the next few months. Because once SafeMoon gets listed to other major crypto exchanges, this can definitely be the major pump that we need for this to break out higher. So that is one of the main things we need to be watching out. Just like what happened to Shiba when it got listed to Binance, it went up 1,000%. So this can definitely have more room to even go up higher than that. But however, it's definitely going to be high risk, high reward play. So definitely be super careful, because we can definitely pull back again to the downside, the support area right around over here. But the chart is definitely bullish right now, because it's making a lower high right around over here, and we'll see if it can potentially retest the highs pretty soon. So definitely keep an eye on SafeMoon. Definitely keep an eye on it. So now let's talk about the last cryptocurrency we need to be watching out for. So now the last cryptocurrency that is high risk, high reward is Dogecoin. So this is relatively, compared to the other two coins that we talked about, is much safer because we have a lot of people that are invested in it. We have Elon Musk, Mark Cuban. We have a lot of people that back this cryptocurrency. So even though it does not seem there's going to be a lot of risk to it, but if you're not a long-term investor, or if you're not going to hold it for long term, there can be a pretty big spike and pretty big drop that happens, just like what happened to the SNL. It went all the way with anticipation of the SNL with Elon Musk going live there. It went all the way to 75 cents. Now it's sitting at 45 cents. But there's going to be massive news that can definitely help Dogecoin to go higher. That the main one being that Tesla can potentially be accepting Dogecoins for people when they want to purchase, a Tesla vehicle. So that's going to be pretty huge for this cryptocurrency. Another thing is, of course, SpaceX going to be launching Doge 1 in 2022. This is also another important catalyst to be watching out for. So Dogecoin has a lot of catalysts that can definitely help it to go higher. But when you look at the technical analysis right now, as you can see over here, Dogecoin is sitting at 0.448. This is right at the support area. So even though it's sitting at a very critical price point, it can definitely break down. If it decides to go down, it can go all the way down to 20 cents. So there's not any positive catalyst coming up pretty soon, but however, it's stabilizing right now. So if there's more positive catalyst coming up, this thing can definitely go all the way and make new all-time highs, depending upon what Elon Musk and Tesla has to say about their plan of accepting Dogecoins for purchase of vehicles. So that's going to be the massive news we need to be watching out pretty soon. But support is right around 0.44 cents. As you can see, if it breaks down below that, the other support is going to be at 20, all the way down to 20 cents. So definitely keep in mind that. That's why it's really high risk, high reward. If it breaks out, it could potentially go all the way to $1. If we have a huge pump, it can go to $1, but if it breaks down, it can definitely go to 20 cents. So that's why it's high risk, high reward. So that's why you have to be super careful if you want to get involved in any of these cryptocurrencies. So this is a high risk, high reward plays, the top 3 cryptocurrencies to watch. If you have any questions, make sure to drop in the comments section below. Make sure you manage your risk. Throw away a few $100 if you. So definitely manage your risk. If you have any questions, make sure to drop in the comments section below and check out the links in the description box if you want to get free stocks and free Bitcoin from Webull. So check out the link. But I catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.